Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can connect your GameSir Nova Lite to your PS4. Now as you may have known, this is basically compatible with Xbox and computer, and unfortunately PlayStation does not allow external components or basically accessories to connect with their consoles. The only thing that they allow is going to be their own controllers, which is going to be the PlayStation controllers. But of course, there's a work around this. But we need to grab ourselves a Brook Wingman. This basically converts any controller and make it compatible with PlayStation. So in here, if you scroll down, it supports various wired controllers in playing PS5 games. And of course, you could just basically go ahead and use this as a fix. But of course, as of the moment, there's only a handful of controllers supported on their webpage right here. So you have to make sure that yours is supported before you actually buy it. Now, I believe there's a lot of Brook Wingman out there. So you want to go ahead and get a specified model that's basically supported for your GameSir Nova Lite. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.